Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Something is cooking in the kitchen today with Daniel Tiger and his buddy Peppa Pig, and of course their moms, because they're going to be using a hot oven today. So Mom needs to be around to make sure there are safety rules in place. Today we're going to make party mix. So we need a big bowl. And Daniel Tiger knows exactly where the bowl is. In the bottom drawer of the cupboard. And then we need a spoon to mix our yummy party mix. And what are we going to put inside of it? Some organic Cheerios, gluten-free pretzels, some little wheat squares. Oh, and some yummy cheddar goldfish, and we have some organic cheese sticks, and we melt some butter and pour it over top, add a little salt and seasoning, and stir it and mix it with the spoon. Oh, what a yummy treat. Daniel Tiger is going to do the stirring. You don't want to crush them, Daniel. You need to be fairly gentle. Mom Tiger preheats the oven. We're going to roast our treats. Gives them a little more flavor. But we need to put it in an oven-safe pan first. Peppa Pig knows exactly where it is. Oh, Peppa, we have to take the lid off because the plastic handle would melt in the oven. We pour the mix into the pan. Give it one more stir, and it's ready to be put in the oven to roast. Mom Tiger asks everyone to stand back. The oven is hot, and I don't want you to burn yourselves, so I'm going to place the pan in the oven. We will roast it for 20 minutes. But how will we know when 20 minutes is up? I know! Let's set the piggy timer, says Peppa Pig. That's right, we have our own pink pig timer. 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes. And once it's 20 minutes is up, it'll ring. Just listen. Oh, it even moved. Mom Tiger puts an oven mitt to protect her hand from getting burnt. Everyone stand back. It's very hot. We need to let it cool. And once it's cooled, everyone gets to have a little taste. It's got a nice roasted brown color. It looks delicious. Scoop some up. And we'll put it in a bowl. And as long as you don't add the peanuts, it's a perfect snack for school. And once we're done baking and snacking, we need to clean up. And Peppa Pig and Daniel Tiger have offered to do the dishes, and the mums can relax. Oh, how nice. Thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.
Tiny Treasures and Toys. Please subscribe.
Hola! And welcome to Tiny Treasures. We are here with Dora and her play kitchen. We are going to have fun, explore, and we even went to the market to buy some fruit today. Dora's kitchen has a play blender to make her favorite fruit smoothies. Her kitchen also has her touch map to help us with her favorite recipes.
Let's make the banana nut cake. Let's go on a cooking adventure to find ingredients. We need...
She also has a stereo to listen to her favorite music while baking.
Radio. Radio.
Dora's kitchen has two play elements to cook on the stove. But on a real stove, these elements can be very hot, even when they're shut off. So it's important never to touch elements. Pots can be full of hot liquid or hot food that can burn us. It's important never to run around and play in the kitchen. And the handles should be turned in like this by the adult who's cooking. And it's important not to play with the knobs on the stove. It can turn gas or heat on and make it very dangerous. Let's just play with Dora's kitchen. We'll turn off all of the elements. It's okay to turn these knobs because this is just a toy kitchen. Dora also has a pink oven. An oven is where we bake our cookies. And beside the oven is a fridge to keep things cold, like eggs, milk, fruits and vegetables. And speaking of fruits and vegetables, here are the fruits we got at the market. First is a green shiny pear. In Spanish, it's called pera. Can you say pera? We also have a kiwi. In Spanish, it's the same word, kiwi. Next, a bright yellow lemon. In Spanish, it's called limón. A little sweeter than a lemon is a round orange called naranja in Spanish. Strawberry is called fresa in Spanish. And the last fruit is a banana. In Spanish, it's called plátano. Now it's time to cut our fruit open. We'll start with the orange. The orange has seeds on the inside of the fruit. How about a banana? They actually have tiny seeds on the inside too. Lemons are the same as oranges. Their lemons are on the inside. And kiwi has tiny black seeds on the inside of the green flesh. Strawberry seeds are on the outside of the fruit. They are tiny just like a kiwi, and usually you eat the seeds on the strawberry. And the last fruit is the pear. And the pear has seeds on the inside. Well, you can see the seeds on this one. What is your favorite fruit? I love all kinds of fruit. Strawberries, raspberries, watermelon. Time to say goodbye. Adios, Dora. And thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.
Tiny treasures and toys. Please subscribe.
Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures, and hello to our 1.7 million subscribers. Thank you for supporting our channel. Minnie Mouse is in the kitchen today, and she has a Minnie themed kitchen. Let's explore Minnie. First, she has her Minnie purple sparkly oven. We've preheated it to 350 degrees. When you open a hot oven, you need to be very careful. All the hot air comes out, so make sure if you ever use anything in the kitchen that requires heat or something sharp, that you get help from an adult. Always. We don't want to leave the door open. We'll let all the heat out. Next, Minnie has her dishwasher. This is where all of her dishes get clean. Oh my. Minnie, what's inside your dishwasher? Oh, it's a poor little spider. He doesn't look like he's alive. He must have gotten trapped inside the dishwasher. Oh, look who it is, tiny fans. It's Kitty. I wonder what she'll think of the spider. She's sniffing it. She's just not sure. Minnie and I took the spider outside and put it in the garden where it will become part of the earth. All right, back to Minnie's kitchen. Let's see what else she has. Minnie loves to chop vegetables, so she pulls out her cutting board, and it has 2 hearts on it. And then she can chop, chop, chop. Before Minnie handles any food in the kitchen, she washes her hands for 30 seconds with warm water and soap in her white heart-shaped sink. Oh, make sure you turn off the tap so it's not dripping, Minnie. Minnie has a window behind her sink so she can see outside and let some sunlight in. She has purple with white polka dot satiny curtains. Let's pull the curtains and see what's behind. It's Minnie Mouse. She went outside to get some vitamin D in the sunshine, and she's winking one eye. Can you wink? What are we going to make in the kitchen today, Minnie? Pizza! Oh, yay! I love pizza. Minnie loves pizza too, but she only likes cheese pizza, and that's okay. But she also knows it's important to have vegetables with every meal. So with her pizza, she cuts up carrot sticks, cucumber slices, and some pepper. She loves red and orange pepper. Stay healthy, right, Minnie? Yay! Let's get baking our pizza. We first made our dough using flour, yeast, and water, grated some mozzarella cheese, and I love pineapple on my pizza, so I used a special pineapple cutter to slice up my pineapple. I also like mushrooms on my pizza. Tiny Treasures Minnie spreads out the dough using their hands on the pizza tray. This one is mine. Sauce, then cheese. And it's ready to bake in the oven for 20 minutes. That was some very delicious pizza. Sometimes after dinner, Minnie likes to drink some herbal tea. She loves mint tea. See, she has her pink polka dot teapot, but she also has a very special teapot she likes to use. Her Peppa Pig teapot. Let's heat up the water on the stove. We hope you enjoyed baking and making with us today. Did you spot the miniature Dora backpack somewhere earlier in the video? If not, go back and have a look. And thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye!
Tiny Treasures and Toys. Please subscribe.
Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. We are in the kitchen today with our Romper Room My First Stove. And we also have a special friend, Upsy Daisy. It's our large, soft Upsy Daisy doll. She knows how important kitchen safety is. The stove can be very hot, so Upsy Daisy doesn't touch or go near the stove. There could be hot, boiling water in that pot, and we don't even want to play around the stove. When the kids want to bake, they make sure that Mom is there to help out. Let's see what's in our cupboards today. We have some old Cabbage Patch plates, some smaller ones and larger ones. And on the other side of the cupboard, I see some eggs. Now that cupboard is too small for the eggs to fit through, so I have to reach my arm in through the bigger part. We have 2 white eggs, farm fresh of course, and they are in a strainer, and a strainer is used to wash maybe fruits or vegetables or drain pasta, and the water goes through the holes. I also spotted something else in the cupboard. It's 2 real little surprises, and we are going to open these together, tiny fans. But first, we are cooking in the kitchen. Let's see what Tiny Treasures is making today. Tiny Treasures made yummy organic strawberry pancakes. We can't forget to drizzle on the sweet maple syrup. Well, that was fun, and now we have another surprise. Our Real Littles. There are 2 in each box. They come in little purple bags, and these are little food items. We always cut away from our friends and away from ourselves. And our first food item we can put in our cupboard is some Orville Redenbacher's popcorn. You know how much we love making popcorn at home. And we put something called nutritional yeast on our popcorn. It's full of vitamin B's. And it makes our popcorn taste delicious. It's a little popcorn bag with popcorn. So cute. And we put it in our little popcorn box. Oh, put her sideways so we can fit the lid back on. And we have a second surprise to open. Let's see what our next food item in the kitchen will be. Oh, and it's Eggo Cinnatoast, a breakfast item just like the pancakes. We added cinnamon to our pancakes. Look at all the little Cinnatoasts. Oh, I wonder how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Wow. That's enough for an entire family. Put it in the box. And look, we got a rare one, tiny fans, with the popcorn Shopkin. The green means rare. Did you spot our Dora doll somewhere earlier in the video? Time to say goodbye for today. Thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.